So y'all like to read?
I love books.
Cool, I do too. I love to read.
This is the best part. You ready?
The Scholastic Real program is a program designated to bring readers in to read to our students.
The Real Read program has strengthened our district because now at all 36 of our elementary schools, every student that goes there have home libraries.
The books are dynamic. They are reflective of our rich tapestry of people. So when the kids open up a book, they see themselves in it.
Anybody have any questions? Anybody want to tell me how this story makes them feel?
We know that reading is one of those fundamental skills that is the foundation for everything that you do.
I just sort of tell people it's the highlight of my day, oftentimes week, sometimes even month.
That's my experience with Scholastic, is just to see everybody playing a part, and I really appreciate it.
Thank you guys so much.